G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about my car, which is Toyota CHR 2020 model. I've had it since brand new. I got it off the showroom and I've been driving it for the last 4 years and had no problems at all. Recently I discovered I have a bit of a situation where the indicator knob on the right hand side has been exposed to extreme hot Australian sun and it has faded away and it's not that dark anymore. So if you look at the indicator knob on the right, you can see the fading is happening around this area and this part of the indicator knob. The remaining part at the back is still pretty dark in color and uniform, but this has been impacted pretty badly by the sun coming through the window over here, and it goes straight onto this plastic indicator knob and it has discolored it. On the left hand side you can still see the knob for the wipers is still pretty good and the fading hasn't happened on that side, but the indicator knob is definitely not in a good nick. So to replace this indicator knob, it's a $500 job, and I'm not going to spend that much money. So I found a very good way of fixing this problem, and not only the fading of this indicator knob, but also the plastic trims and nicks and cuts and scratches on the plastic trim, especially at the bottom, around the bottom area. So basically I can get rid of this problem by using a leather conditioner. A leather conditioner you can easily buy from any grocery store, for example Coles and Woolworths in Australia, and this is Glitz leather conditioner. Cost me around $5, and I've used this to get rid of all the blemishes and fading and even little scratches on the plastic trims. I'll show you and demonstrate how it happens. Open it up. Show you use gloves. Take a little bit. Apply on it. I think it's too much. You can see the color is completely gone to very dark, and I'll wipe it off in a minute. I'll leave this for a couple of minutes and then I'll come and wipe it off, and you will see the results. So you can see there are some scratches on at the back of the console, and I'll try to use this cream again. A little bit I've taken and I'll apply it, not too much and not too little. As you can see, not all the scratches, the deep ones are not gone, and I'm pretty happy with the results here. I'll wipe it off with a microfiber cloth in a couple of minutes. I'll let it sit and we'll see how it goes. Now I can wipe this leather conditioner off this indicator knob. I'll take the microfiber cloth and I'll gently rub it. I don't have to rub it too much, just gently to remove some excess. As you can see, it's nice and shiny, and I'll come to the back to wipe the console. As you can see, it's all done. But there you go guys, that's my tip for the day. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell.